Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the A50 and base station because an uncharged headset can mimic no sound. Check the docking LEDs and battery indicator. If they are off, charge for 15 minutes and try again. Next, verify the base's connections: optical cable to TV/console or USB to PC, and the headset paired. Press the pairing button until LEDs flash. Once done, set your device's output to the A50 so audio is routed correctly, and you can proceed. Now you move into software and settings because hardware looks fine. Open Astro Command Center or your console's audio settings to check for firmware updates. Install any update and reboot the base. Then, on PC or console, set output to the A50 and adjust volume and mic mix. Too low a master or game chat balance can mute game audio. Also disable exclusive audio modes and third-party enhancements that can reroute or silence sound. Let the headset manage audio directly. Finish by isolating the fault and applying the last fixes. Test the headset with a different audio source to see if the problem follows the A50 or the original device. This tells you whether to focus on cables or settings. If issues persist, perform a factory reset on the base station and repair the headset. This clears corrupt profiles. If you still have no sound after swapping optical/USB cables, contact Astro support. One key tip: always test with a known good cable before opening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.